हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स मी रहमान अली और आप देख रहे हैं ब्राइट इंग्लिश। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर। टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर में कान के डॉक्टर को क्या कहते हैं, हार्ट के डॉक्टर को क्या कहते हैं, लीवर के डॉक्टर को, आईज, इसी तरह से वन बाय वन करके हम 100 टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए।
For allergy and immune system doctor, and the medical terminology is allergist and immunologist. For pain management and anesthesia doctor, and the medical terminology is anesthesiologist. For heart doctor, and the medical terminology is cardiologist. For colon, rectum and anus surgery specialist, and the medical terminology is colorectal surgeon. For intensive care unit, ICU doctor, and the medical terminology is critical care specialist or intensivist. For diagnosis of diseases at the cellular level, and the medical terminology is cytopathologist. For oral surgery specialist, and the medical terminology is dental surgeon. For skin doctor, and the medical terminology is dermatologist. For skin pathology specialist, and the medical terminology is dermatopathologist. For acute care and emergency treatment doctor, and the medical terminology is emergency medicine specialist. For hormone and gland doctor, and the medical terminology is endocrinologist. For autopsy and forensic investigation specialist, and the medical terminology is forensic pathologist. For digestive system doctor, and the medical terminology is gastroenterologist. For medication management for the elderly, and the medical terminology is geriatric pharmacist. For the mental health specialist for the elderly, and the medical terminology is geriatric psychiatrist. For elderly care doctor, and the medical terminology is geriatrician. For blood doctor, and the medical terminology is hematologist. For liver doctor, and the medical terminology is hepatologist. For infection control and treatment doctor, and the medical terminology is infectious disease specialist. For minimally invasive image guided surgery specialist, and the medical terminology is interventional radiologist. For genetic disorders and inherited conditions specialist, and the medical terminology is medical geneticist. For specialist in infectious diseases and microorganism, and the medical terminology is medical microbiologist. For newborn care doctor, and the medical terminology is neonatologist. For kidney doctor, and the medical terminology is nephrologist. For doctor for the nervous system including the brain, and the medical terminology is neurologist. For minimally invasive surgery for neurological conditions, and the medical terminology is neurointerventional surgeon. For cancer doctor, and the medical terminology is oncologist. For eye doctor, and the medical terminology is ophthalmologist. For bone and muscle doctor, and the medical terminology is orthopedist. For ear, nose and throat doctor, and the medical terminology is otolaryngologist or ENT.
दोस्तों, अभी तक हमने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर को एक्सप्लेन कर लिया है, लेकिन अभी जो बाकी रहते हैं तो चलिए उन टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और उनकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। तो चलिए अपने टॉपिक की तरफ बढ़ते हैं बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए।
Is through laboratory analysis, and the medical terminology is pathologist. For heart specialist for children, and the medical terminology is pediatric cardiologist. For hormone and growth disorders in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric endocrinologist. For digestive system specialist for children, and the medical terminology is pediatric gastroenterologist. For blood disorders and cancer in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric hematologist or oncologist. For infectious disease in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric infectious disease specialist. For nervous system disorders in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric neurologist. For lung and respiratory disorders in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric pulmonologist. For autoimmune and inflammatory diseases in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric hematologist. For surgery specialist for children, and the medical terminology is pediatric surgeon. For children's doctor, and the medical terminology is pediatrician. For high risk pregnancy specialist, and the medical terminology is perinatologist. For rehabilitation and physical therapy, and the medical terminology is physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist, physiatrist. For reconstructive and cosmetic surgery doctor, and the medical terminology is plastic surgeon. For foot doctor, and the medical terminology is podiatrist. For mental health doctor, and the medical terminology is psychiatrist. For medication management for mental health disorders, and the medical terminology is psychopharmacologist. For lung doctor, and the medical terminology is pulmonologist. For imaging and X-ray doctor, and the medical terminology is radiologist. For infertility and reproductive hormone specialist, and the medical terminology is reproductive endocrinologist.
दोस्तों अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो हमारे चैनल को फौरन से सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि न्यू आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके।
For joint and autoimmune disease doctor, and the medical terminology is hematologist. For sleep disorders doctor, and the medical terminology is sleep medicine specialist. For sports related injury and performance doctor, and the medical terminology is sports medicine specialist. For general surgery doctor, and the medical terminology is surgeon. For emergency surgery for injuries, and the medical terminology is trauma surgeon. For organ transplantation doctor, and the medical terminology is transplant surgeon. For urinary tract and male reproductive system doctor, and the medical terminology is urologist. For blood vessel surgery doctor, and the medical terminology is vascular surgeon. For treatment of chronic and complex wounds, and the medical terminology is wound care specialist. For treatment of addiction and substance abuse, and the medical terminology is addiction medicine specialist. For healthcare for air and space travel, and the medical terminology is aerospace medicine specialist. For male reproductive health specialist, and the medical terminology is andrologist. For hearing and balance specialist, and the medical terminology is audiologist. For spine and joint alignment doctor, and the medical terminology is chiropractor. For genetic disease diagnosis and treatment, and the medical terminology is clinical geneticist. For child development and behavior specialist, and the medical terminology is developmental behavioral pediatrician. For uses hyperbaric oxygen therapy to treat conditions, and the medical terminology is hyperbaric medicine specialist. For investigates deaths, especially sudden or unexplained deaths, and the medical terminology is medical examiner. For cancer treatment specialist, non-surgical, and the medical terminology is medical oncologist. For genetic mutations and molecular biology specialist, and the medical terminology is molecular geneticist. For specialist in brain behavior relationships, and the medical terminology is neuropsychologist. For workplace health and safety doctor, and the medical terminology is occupational medicine specialist. For disease prevention and health promotion, and the medical terminology is preventive medicine specialist. For community health and disease prevention, and the medical terminology is public health specialist. For fertility and reproductive health, and the medical terminology is reproductive medicine specialist. For psychological aspects of sleep disorders, and the medical terminology is sleep psychologist. For mental health and performance in sports, and the medical terminology is sports psychologist. For specialists in poison and toxins, and the medical terminology is toxicologist. For diseases common in tropical regions, and the medical terminology is tropical medicine specialist. For focuses on mental health issues related to addiction, and the medical terminology is addiction psychiatry specialist. For specializes in cosmetic procedures and treatments, and the medical terminology is aesthetic medicine specialist. For expert in the ethical implications of medical and biological research, and the medical terminology is bioethicist. For specialist in the effects and uses of medications, and the medical terminology is clinical pharmacologist. For studies the impact of environmental factors on health, and the medical terminology is environmental medicine specialist. For psychiatry with a focus on legal issues and criminal cases, and the medical terminology is forensic psychiatrist. For focuses on the use of genetic information in medical practice, and the medical terminology is genomic medicine specialist. For operates hyperbaric chambers for therapy, and the medical terminology is hyperbaric technologist. For focuses on the use of information technology in healthcare, and the medical terminology is medical informatics specialist. For studies genetic factors affecting neurological conditions, and the medical terminology is neurogeneticist. For specializes in skin conditions in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric dermatologist. For deals with infections in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric infectious disease specialist. For focuses on healthcare for those in air and space travel, and the medical terminology is aerospace medicine specialist. For studies chromosomes and genetic disorders, and the medical terminology is cytogeneticist. For specializes in child development and behavioral disorders, and the medical terminology is developmental pediatrician. For diagnosis blood diseases using microscopic examination, and the medical terminology is hematopathologist. For performs catheter-based treatment for heart conditions, and the medical terminology is interventional cardiologist. For provides support and education on breastfeeding, and the medical terminology is lactation consultant. For focuses on high risk pregnancies, and the medical terminology is maternal fetal medicine specialist. For uses radioactive substances for diagnosis and treatment, and the medical terminology is nuclear medicine physician. For treats autoimmune and inflammatory conditions in children, and the medical terminology is pediatric hematologist.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर को याद करना और इनकी डेली प्रैक्टिस करना, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस करने से ही आपको ये टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर सारे याद हो जाएंगे। ऐसा कोई काम नहीं है कि जिसकी प्रैक्टिस ना की जाए और वो याद ना हो। इसी के साथ हमारा टॉपिक खत्म होता है। दोस्तों, अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और मजीद इस तरह की इंफॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ।